Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I purchased for my January kits from Planner Kate. So the first thing that I am looking for is items for my monthly view for January. Planner Kate does not make the monthly kits for the Happy Planner anymore, and so I decided to go with some add-ons. I decided to go with Mini Kit 203, and I decided, I'm going to flip through all the pictures here. And so I decided to get 4 different add-ons. The first add-on that I decided to get was letter P, which is the thin washi. And I'm going to use that to mark off different multi-day events in the month of January. The second thing that I decided to get was letter S, which is the pattern labels, letter T, which is the appointment labels, and then letter U, which is the basic labels. And I figured between the 3 of those, I would have enough labels to put forth any events that I need in the month of January. I'm also going to end up getting Kit 203 for my weekly view, and anything that I have left over from my monthly, I can incorporate into the week. So the first kit that I'm going to purchase for week 1 actually is the New Year's kit. And so I got my standard full boxes sheet, which is sheet A, and sheet C, which is the sampler sheet. I'm really excited to play with the sampler sheet because it has a bunch of different labels that is different than what was from the 2019 format. And also the script stickers are different as well. So this is Mini Kit 203, the weekly sheet. So I'm getting sheet A, which is the full boxes, half box sheet, and sheet C, which is the sampler sheet. I'm just really excited to try this new format. I'm really glad Kate kind of mixes it up every year, and it kind of pushes me to get out of the box that I have been in for the past year. It pushes me to, try some new things, try some different stickers that I normally wouldn't have, and yeah. So the third kit that I'm getting is Mini Kit 204, and Kate has used this artwork previously, Teal Feathers, and I really like the colors. I'm a sucker for anything blue. Blue and pink together is probably one of my favorite combinations. So, and of course I got sheet A, which is the full box, half box sheet, and sheet C. The fourth kit, yes. I don't even know. I'm not even keeping track. Is kit 201, which is cozy, and I love the artwork on this full boxes sheet. This is kind of different than what Kate normally does. Kate doesn't usually have a lot of clip art in her kits. It's a lot of florals and more neutral patterns. But I'm super excited to try this kit as well. And I figure that this is going to be one of the perfect kits to have in the dead of winter when all I want to do is stay home and hibernate. So, of course, I purchased sheet A, which is the full box, half box sheet, and sheet C, which is the sampler sheet. The last kit, because January has 5 weeks, is I purchased Kit 202, which is the January floral. And of course, I got the full box, half box sheet, and the sampler sheet, which is sheet C. So then, after I put all of this stuff into my cart, I went into my cart, and because I already had 2 items sitting in my cart, and I couldn't remember what they were, so I went down and tried to figure it out. And I had put in some of the script stickers, so FaceTime. So I chose the FaceTime script stickers because I FaceTime my parents a lot, and I decided to get rid of them. I probably will get them later. I just decided not to get them this time. And then I really like these hexagons. I'm not entirely sure how I would use them, so I got rid of them. but I think I'll probably end up getting them anyway. I think I'm going to have to place like another order like on Black Friday for some like random script stickers and some other random labels that I've kind of been putting my eye on. So then I go into the sale section, and I just glanced through this, and I only end up buying 2 things from this section. I love teardrop stickers. I use them for countdowns. I use them to track like medication changes, things that I need to call attention to. I just love them. And so I saw that the old EC colors, so the colors that were just retired, have been are now on sale. So I decided to pick up 2 sheets of this colorway. And so you can see I'm still scrolling through the sale section, and there wasn't anything else that I really liked. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. I post videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.